In today's video, we will discuss how to log in first time. After you apply for the sponsor license, you get the sponsor management system. So how to log in? From the SMS login screen, enter the user ID and password which was assigned to you by the authorizing officer or emailed to you if you are yourself a authorizing officer. This is the screen where you will put the user ID and you will enter the password and you will click login. You can also copy and paste password from the email. Second step, you can change the password. So when you get the password first time, after that second time you have to change the password. You change the password, you must make sure that your password got 12 to 256 character, one uppercase, one lowercase, one number and one special character. Once you put that in, you change your password. This is how the screen will look like. You will put the password in, which is the old password, then new password, and then confirm the password and click submit. Third step, after confirming your change of password, the sponsorship management system home screen is displayed and the screen will look like exactly like this. You will have the home page, you will have license summary, application and services, workers, students, change password, contact and logout. Select logout from the menu on the left side if you need to log out. Now, for example, you forget the password. If you have forgotten their password, you can always rechange it. In order to do that, please from the password request, reset request, which is exactly look like this, forgotten your password. Once you click on that, you will come to this page, which will look like password reset request, where you will enter your user ID, which was emailed to you, and contact email address. Once you get that email, you can change your password. If you have entered 2 to 3 times, more than 3 times incorrect password, in that case, your system will be blocked and you have to wait 30 minutes and try again. Password reset confirmation screen will look like exactly like this. Once you click OK, you can go back and you can log in again. But again, every time you request for the temporary password, you need to change your password again. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to contact me and I'll get back to you.